For me, these creatures are masterpieces of nature.
If you find it in your first try, you are a very lucky person.
What do you think?
I think it's generous to call that a hike. That's climbing.
You know what the good news is? We're an eighth of our way there. It's got this beautiful crest that stands up, these beautiful blue eyes, and it's got bone-crushing, powerful feet. I just saw that if I can be quick, we might have a chance, over. I got to get this camera built. You got to think clearly so you don't drop anything. Given the rarity of this bird, we cannot take chances.
Skipper Laura, come in, over.
Yeah, Neil.
We got a baby Philippine eagle.
All of our islands suffered deforestation.
No one was watching, so they just cut with impunity.
A baby is so fragile. I think a cold rain could kill a young eagle in an hour and a half, 2 hours.
We have to move on to attitude. And that's something you feel in your guts.
Where other people find excuses not to do things, you find the way to make it happen.
It's a race against time, and time's not on their side.
What it has for the human spirit is immeasurable.
Okay, you ready? I personally cannot stand the thought of these masterpieces becoming extinct. And so there's a handful of people that want to do something about it. And I'm one of them.